To install the e-commerce plugin, open the Marketplace in the top right corner. Search for e-commerce and install it. After completing the installation, you should take a look at the dashboard. The dashboard will show you several steps to set up your e-commerce system. Click on Edit App and then on Creation Mode. Scroll down to Plugins and expand the e-commerce group. Click on Article to add a new article. Enter a title and a short description. Click on Price to enter a price. Click on Image and select an image. You have several other options to personalize the item. On the Marketplace, you will also find many other plugins that add more options. For example, you can install the Modifiers plugin to create modifiers for an item. Click on Add to add the item. We can set up the checkout process by clicking on Rules and Payment Methods. Here you can configure what information and actions you want your users to take in order to place an order. In our case, we want the full address of a registered user or a guest user. On the left side, you will find more options that you can add. On the Marketplace, you will find other methods such as Stripe, PayPal, or Payrex. Now we want to add PayPal as a payment method. Switch to the Marketplace and search for PayPal. Now open the rules again. Click on PayPal to add it to the current rules.